when I talk about blood clotting, there are a couple of things that I want you to remember about the chemical cascade that happens. There is a step in which prothrombin is catalyzed to thrombin with the help of calcium. So it's important. Calcium is important for so many things. It's important for muscle contraction, specifically the heart. But in this case, it's important in blood clotting. Thrombin then catalyzes fibrinogen to fibrin. And that fibrin is what results in the blood clot formation. And calcium is also needed in this step. So in this class, I'm looking for prothrombin. Thrombin is catalyzed by calcium, and then thrombin catalyzes fibrinogen to fibrin, and then that results in blood clot formation. Now, as a result of tissue damage, we can get blood vessel spasm, platelet plug formation, and this clotting mechanism. And there is a cascade that happens before this event. And so this is kind of like the final stage of blood clots. And so what happens is the reason that your scab looks kind of maroonish is because these little fibrin threads have trapped actual red blood cells. And so what happens is if you get in the bathtub and play for a while, like I did when I was a kid, sometimes I could look back down at my arm, and I could notice that my scab wasn't maroon anymore. It was just kind of like this little wavy white stuff under the water. And that's that fibrin. And so what has happened is the water in the bathtub and soap and everything has washed those red blood cells out of there, and all is left is the fibrin. It's important not to pick at scabs. It's important in a wound to wash it out with soap and water. It's important to do that. I think it's important for peroxide and alcohol and stuff like that, but the main thing right away, get that thing washed out. Wash it out with soap and water good. Of course, I'm talking about stuff that you can handle at the house. I'm not talking necessarily about something that you need to go to the emergency room for. I know that's different, but